Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. You Say English. I'm Jack, and I'm here to help you improve your English in a simple and easy way. If you enjoy learning English, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. One day, there was a boy who was afraid of English. Not because English was difficult, but because he was afraid of making mistakes. Every time he heard someone speak English, his heart started beating fast. Every time he wanted to speak, his mind went blank. And slowly, he started believing something dangerous. I can't speak English. Maybe you've said this before. Maybe you still say this. I can't speak English. But listen carefully. This story might change your mind. The boy was not stupid. He was not weak. He just didn't practice. One day something happened. He was in a classroom. The teacher asked him to stand up and speak in English. His legs were shaking. His hands were cold. Everyone was looking at him. He tried to speak. My name is... But suddenly, he stopped. Someone laughed. A small laugh. But it felt very loud. And in that moment, he sat down and told himself, I will never speak English again. That day, he went home quietly. No talking, no smiling, just silence. At night, he was lying in his bed, looking at the ceiling and thinking, why is English so hard? Then another thought came. Or, am I just afraid? That question stayed in his mind. The next day, he didn't go to speak English. He avoided it. He ignored it. He ran away from it. Days passed, weeks passed, nothing changed. Until one evening, he saw a video, a normal person, speaking simple English. Not perfect, not fast, just simple. And that person said something very powerful. You don't need perfect English. You just need to start. That sentence hit him hard. He sat quietly and repeated, I just need to start. That night, he stood in front of a mirror. He looked at himself and said, hello? It felt strange, very strange. He smiled nervously. Then again, hello? He took a deep breath and said, my name is... He stopped. Then again, my name is Rahim. For the first time, he completed a sentence. A very small sentence, but a very big step. Now listen carefully. This is how learning begins. Not big, not fast, just small and consistent. The next day, he tried again. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. Slowly, clearly, patiently. Now I want you to repeat. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. Good. Now continue listening. Every day, he practiced. Only 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. But every day, he said simple things. I am happy. I am trying. I will improve. At first, nothing changed, but he didn't stop. Because now, he believed something new. Practice makes progress. Now say this. Practice makes progress. Again. Practice makes progress. Very good. Weeks passed, and something started to change. His voice became stronger. His fear became smaller. One day, he went to a small shop. He wanted to buy something. His heart was beating fast again, but this time he didn't run away. He looked at the item and said slowly, excuse me, how much is this? Simple, clear, real. Now repeat. Excuse me, how much is this? Again. Good. The shopkeeper answered, and he understood. That moment changed everything, because now he realized something important. I can understand. And if you can understand, you can speak. That day, he walked home with confidence. He said to himself, I can do this. Now say it. I can do this. Again. I can do this. Very powerful. Now listen carefully. From that day, he started thinking in English. Simple thoughts. I am walking. I am eating. I am learning. Now repeat, I am learning. Good. This is a powerful method. Think simple, speak simple, improve naturally. Now let's continue the story. One day, someone asked him, "Can you speak English?" Before he would say, "No." But this time he smiled and said, "I am learning." Not perfect, but honest. Now say this, "I am learning." Again. Very good. Now listen. You don't need big sentences. You need real sentences. Use English in your life every day, every moment. Now repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go to school. Again. Slowly. Good. Now continue. I like learning English. I enjoy practicing. I am improving every day. Say it. I am improving every day. Excellent. Now listen carefully. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you feel slow. There will be days when you want to stop, but don't stop, because progress takes time. Now say this, I will not give up. Again, I will not give up. Strong sentence. Now back to the story. Months passed. The boy changed. His voice was clear. His confidence was strong. One day, he stood again in front of people, just like before. Same situation, same fear, but a different person. He took a deep breath and said, "Hello, everyone. My name is Rahim, and I am learning English." No shaking, no fear, just confidence. People listened, no one laughed, because now he believed in himself. Now say this, I believe in myself. Again, I believe in myself. Very good. Now listen carefully. This story is not just a story, it is your story. You are learning, you are improving, you are changing step by step, day by day. Now say this, I am getting better. Again, I am getting better. Excellent. Now take a deep breath and relax. You are doing something powerful. You are learning a new language, and that takes courage. Now remember this. Small steps every day create big results. Now repeat, small steps every day. Good. Now imagine your future. You are speaking English confidently. You are not afraid. You are expressing your ideas. You are free. Say this, I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. Very good. Now slowly, we come to the end. But your journey is just beginning. So start today. Start now. Start simple. And never stop. Thank you for learning with Mr. Yusa English. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never give up.